What is life like on the Camino Frances?
Here I'll show you what my experiences are on the Camino.
Alright, welcome back, Vagabonds. I am here in Spain walking the Camino. I know that I really haven't done a whole lot of updates with the things that I'm doing on here, but I wanted to kind of just show you a little bit of what life is like on the Camino so far. So we've been going down this ravine. I'm about to eat some food here. Has some lovely bread that this lady brought us. I can't wait to try. Actually, very good. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the different things that I'm doing here on the Camino, walking, and you know, show you things that will be in future videos and when I get back home to do things a little bit nicer. So we'll go ahead and go to the next part and maybe show you some of this food. All right, that lunch was way more than I was bargaining for. Lots of the chichos, a lot of potatoes. I wasn't expecting all the potatoes to be on there. So I continued walking. I was in Molin Seca, and beautiful, beautiful town there in Spain. And after their hiking isn't all absolutely beautiful, it is actually along the highway or along the street for a long way. But now I am here by vineyards. So this is the type of stuff that most people highlight when they're doing the Camino Frances, and looking at like a lot of beautiful things. So, you know, they have the wine here. You have electrical lines back here also. So not just making things disappear that aren't there. But they also have pears, apples that are absolutely delicious in this region, along with pimentos or bell peppers that us English speakers would say. And actually the peppers here have been absolutely fantastic with the meals that I've had so far. But yeah, continuing on, I think that I have about 4 more kilometers to get to the next town and have a good night's rest, and probably show you the accommodations, because it'll be a little bit different than what I have been doing in the other videos with the albergues. Okay, so this was a really cute place to stay, to rest and everything in Ponferrada. But we need to continue on. If you like these journeys about the Camino, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to have some influence on future content, please join my membership page and hit the bell for notifications. And I'll see you on the next one. All right. Hope to get some of these other videos of my journey here out when I'm back home in Portugal. So I'll see you on the next one.